Hi, my name is Kulvinder. I did my PT and Nati with Language Academy. Today I'm going to share my journey with you guys. I did my Nati from Language Academy in the start of this year, and I started my PT preparation by myself. I thought I would be able to do it by myself, but I struggled in getting my desired score.
Sir, I did my PT many times, but I'm not able to get my desired score. So can you
What was the last time you got the score?
The last was 10th July.
10 July. And how much score did you get?
That was overall 80, but I just couldn't get like.
Can I have your score report?
Yes.
I was so demotivated. So I talked to Language Academy regarding PT preparation.
Sir, this is my last score which I just gave. And I just left marks in the listening. And I'm so frustrated. I don't know what to do now.
I still remember that before the final attempt, I just missed with few marks and I was so frustrated. I talked to Language Academy team and they motivated me a lot. Finally, I got 87 overall, which is equal to 9 bands. I really recommend Language Academy for your successful PT journey.
I finally got my desired score.
Thank you guys.